What's up, guys? My name's Kyle. This is my super fast 92 Honda Civic. Don't forget the SI. It ain't stock. I know it looks stock. It ain't stock. I'll show you guys all of its bells and whistles right now. First things first, you know I had to go Japanese. We got the Enki RPF ones. Mint. Now don't roast me on my panel gap. I'll show you guys why that's there in a second. It hasn't been in an accident. That's not why. I'll show you guys. Don't worry. You guys are going to be ecstatic. Now, my mom bought me this Honda as like a graduation gift. I guess she, got me a car that matched my GPA because it has a 2.0 in it. It's pretty mint. Babes look at it. It's pretty fire. It's got a 6 sound system. It's about all you need in a vehicle, honestly. These people like these Mercedes and these BMWs. Not me. JDM, baby. JDM. Now underneath the hood, as you can see here, I did keep it Japanese with the, K20. It's a big old Honda motor, if you don't know. 2.0, 6-speed trans, big old 100 shot of nitrous right here. This thing will make a Mustang owner cry, and it'll definitely dampen the panties of any baddie in the passenger seat. If she'll ever give me a chance, please, Jessica, call me. The interior is absolutely mint. We got a billet K20 shifter right there, race shifter, because this is a race car, as you can tell by its 6 styling. 2 doors, because it is a race car. Let me pop this and show you guys where all the extra horsepower come from. Sadly, I do gotta hold this up because my struts are broken. Hashtag shitbox, project car. Anyways, in here, we got 2 10-pounders. Got plenty of spray to last me. It definitely lasts longer than me in bed. I don't know, I could probably get a good billion squirts out of these, which is way more than I'll probably do in my whole life. So got plenty of juice. All right, no, I can't take the voice anymore. Sorry, I'm about to lose my mind. Anyways, guys, yes, the Honda finally got dynoed, okay? I'm cutting out the character. Kyle's gone, okay? The Honda finally got dynoed, and boy, oh boy, was it spectacular. If I sound a little sick, I'm sorry. I've been sick for a couple days now, and I gotta muster up the strength to get a video out to you guys, so I'm doing that. But finally done. I don't think I need to go over everything with this vehicle. Really quickly, it's a K20 A2. It's got 100 shot of spray from NITROUS Supply. Big shout out to them if you guys are looking for some nitrous stuff and you're in the SoCal area. I'm sure they ship, but NITROUS Supply is the place to go. We have an action clutch in the Type S 6-speed. And then we have insane shafts. I think they're like 500 horsepower. I don't know. They're strong axles, so we don't have to worry about that. And boy, oh boy, does this rip. Here, I'm gonna throw in a few of the dyno clips here, and then my first pull ever in it, and it's a nighttime clip. I'm sorry, we tuned it at like midnight, which is, I'm sorry, okay? Not the best lighting, as you can tell, but just check it out. Okay, Brian, what are your predictions?
228 with no spray, and I think 343 with spray.
Okay. Alex?
222 no spray, 333 with spray.
Okay. Mine is, I'm going 220 and 320. Johnny?
I'm honestly gonna have to agree with him a little bit. I'll probably I'll change it up, go 225 and like 329 on spray.
Oh my god! Dude, that shit's fast! Holy shit! Dude, that shit's pretty fucking fast. I'm at a loss of words. I didn't think it was gonna be that fast. As you can tell, the car absolutely rips. And now I'll go into some stuff that I haven't shown you guys on the car, like where I mounted everything. I made it look really clean inside. Let me show you guys. So I already showed you guys the bottles back there, but you might be asking, Drew, how do we activate those? Gotta get Kyle's hat out of here. So if you look on the inside, there's no switches. You're like, where are they? Well, they're down here in this little like coin holder. I have my purge button right here, and then my trigger switch right here. So I don't have to click a button like in Fast and the Furious, you know, don't have to do that. All I gotta do is purge it, which I'll show you guys in a second. Throw on the trigger just by flipping this switch up, and then it will spray if I go 88 or more % of throttle. So it's all within the tune, which is just perfect. If it doesn't want to spray, it has fail safes. If it doesn't spray because of any fail safes, the ECU will catch it and I will not blow my shit up. So we are golden. And like I said earlier, we only did do 100 shot for now, and the dyno results are pretty impressive, and I'll explain. So as you saw from the dyno clips, this thing made 221 wheel horsepower on just E85 with no spray. And I mean, that's pretty fair. That's about what I was expecting. As you can see from me and my buddies guessing, I expected around 220. That's because a stock RSX makes 220 crank, and I figured with the little, you know, bolt-on mods that we did do with no spray, we'd probably get the crank horsepower to the wheels. So 220 wheel, I'm happy with that. Then we went ahead and did 100 shots, so I expected 320. We made 312 or 314. I forgot which tune he actually uploaded, but either way, the car made really good power on a chassis that weighs what, 2,400 pounds. This thing absolutely rips. And from my first time doing the pull in it genuinely scared the shit out of me because the torque steer just pulls you all over the road. It's absolutely insane, and it is super like thrilling to drive. Like it's a go-kart on steroids. That's the best way I could describe it. It's not like my Mustang, it's not like my Supra. It is a go-kart on steroids, and it is so fun. Enough rambling about the car. You guys want to see it in action, so let's go ahead and turn on the bottle, let's purge it, and let's go out for a drive. I think the cool thing about my car too is since I have the factory like cargo cover, they're just like perfectly hidden inside. Like you wouldn't even know if I closed the hatch, you wouldn't even know that they're in there. Like hidden as fuck, super sleeper. All right, I turned the bottle on. Let's climb in, throw in the key, let's purge it. Oh yeah, she's ready. All right, so driving the car, it feels way better, obviously, than it did before. Like, I've never experienced this car with the correct ECU. And having the correct ECU and having it tuned for E85, like, it's obviously a night and day difference. Like, it sounds stupid to say out loud, but, like, I've never experienced this car at even, like, close to full potential. And now we have it done, and it's so fun to drive. Like, it's absolutely so fun to drive. So I'm gonna make a U-turn right here, and I'm gonna get on it with no spray. Okay, no spray. We can't go straight into it. Okay, you got to foreplay a little bit. No spray. I'll just go into it in second. We'll just get on it a little bit, you know. Just give it a little gas. It's not gonna do much. Just second gear. It still wants to pull me all over the road though, which is kind of funny. It still absolutely does want to pull me all over the road. Now, I don't know why. It kind of locked me out of fourth gear right there. I feel like I got to adjust my linkage. It's not like dialed in. Since I haven't really road tested this car much, it's kind of hard to tell, but I mean, it moves. It moves. We'll downshift actually. We'll get on it again. There's a puppy sticking out the window. Oh, the puppy! Fuck, where do I want to do it? I don't want to get in trouble, you know? Now they're gonna see the Honda. They're gonna be like, this is the guy keeping us up at night. This guy with his loud ass Honda. Luckily my car's not that loud, but.
At that.
What? Oh, okay.
Are we moving
right.
at that one?
Okay, I'll turn on the spray then, okay? I'll turn on the spray. Oh no, I'll turn on the spray. I'll turn on the spray. You wanna hate on the Honda? I'll turn on the spray. Okay? I wanted to do one more without spray, but let's be real here. The people wanna see the spray. I guess you wanna see the spray. Okay, I'm gonna downshift, give her the beans. was ripping right there. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell on that pole, but dude, it was ripping me all over the road. I mean, this thing, it just wants to it just wants to take you wherever it wants to go. It's not like my Mustang where now that I have the suspension pretty dialed in, when I do hook, it just wants to go straight. This thing is just pulling you every which way. I mean, maybe it needs an alignment. If you can't tell from my steering wheel, it's a little crooked. So maybe that's part of it. But we'll try to get one more really quick before we run out of daylight, and then we'll try to go have some fun later tonight. But overall, man, this thing it's pretty scary. Like, I definitely need some suspension. That's definitely gonna be the next thing I do, is some suspension, because it just doesn't seem like the 92 bushings probably ain't holding up in 2022. Ain't cutting it. What does he have done to his? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Sup guys, Kyle's back to wrap up this video. You know, I gotta make it quick though, because high school's about to go let out, and I gotta go let them hear this VTEC, get all the women excited to see that I am a man driving a man's car. Honestly, the car performed better than expected. Why am I doing this accent? Okay, all right. Anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap up this video. The car did really good. Like you heard my numbers before, I expected 220 and 320. We got pretty dang close to those numbers, so I am really happy. And we're not gonna stop there. I already have some new parts waiting to be installed inside right now, and I'm gonna do that right after this video ends. And then I'm gonna order up some more stuff. We're gonna squeeze some more horsepower out of this bad boy, stiffen up all that suspension, make it real, just, you know, a race car as Honda intended. I mean, look at that thing. That thing just screams race car, doesn't it? I mean, like, you know, it might look like an egg, but nah, that is a full-blown race car. So anyways, hopefully you guys did enjoy this. Big shout out to everyone that has helped me on this car. Big shout out to Action Clutch, NITROUS Supply, the homeboy Kevin. I will link them all down below. Thank you guys so much. The man, the myth, the legend, No Lift Shift. He helped me throughout this whole thing as well. So big shout out to all you guys. I couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you guys so much. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.